Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today is Tuesday, so we are going to do, of course, Chainlink. Chainlink is Tuesday from now on. Yesterday was Uniswap, today is Chainlink. And we're gonna look at short-term analysis of Chainlink, maybe some long-term as well, and see what's gonna happen. Because all of the crypto right now is making the same zigzag pattern, triangle pattern, and it's gonna break out. So I'm gonna tell you where it's gonna break and where it's gonna explode. And I'm gonna tell you Chainlink is gonna explode. Right now I'm gonna tell you Chainlink is gonna explode. Okay guys, so let's get started with this and see what's gonna actually happen. So right now Chainlink went from 9.8 up to 13, and now we got the triangle pattern that's forming over here. Let's draw it. And I have some difficulties drawing this triangle, because I mean there are several ways you can draw it. So the thing is, the problem with the triangle right now is this last bar over here. Let me zoom that out for you so you can see it a little better. Okay, can you see this? Okay, look at this now. Now if you use the top wick over here and use this wick over here, you only got two touches, because this is not confirmed yet, this is not finished, right? So you still got 3 hours and 24 minutes before this is over. Now if this confirms the third touch, all good, we got our triangle. But before this touch over here, nothing actually is confirmed, and since it's not confirmed, I don't think it's gonna happen over here. No breakout of the triangle will happen on this candle right here. I think it's after this candle over here, and even on the daily next day, so in 4 hours, yeah, it's gonna be, yeah, after this candle close, it's gonna be next day close as well. So I think it's gonna break out on this candle over here. I'll also show you why on the daily, why I think that. Now let me check my hair. Okay, all good. Okay, so let's see. So that's the problem with the triangle, because you cannot draw actually the triangle on the Chainlink quite yet. Now if you used any of these others other wicks over here, you can see that it got some support and it got like went up, down, then it went out of it. But the problem with this is there is no volume supporting the theory, right? It went out of the triangle, but with no volume, man, no volume. Right, went back into it, went out of it, and still no volume. Volume is slowly rising, but then you get these weird ass dodgy candles, you know, like, what's happening? What's happening? This is not a breakout, so this cannot be the triangle. And you can also say that the same about this one here, right? You say, yeah, man, this is the triangle, one touch, two touch, and then, but it then breaks it 1, 2, 3 times, so, and nothing happens. Breaks it 3 times, nothing happens, and here it breaks it out and stays outside, but still nothing happens. Still nothing. So this cannot be the correct triangle, man. This cannot be. So right now what we are trying to find the correct triangle. So the best option we have right now, this touch over here, this touch over here, and if this stays here, I mean, it's not picture perfect, but it's pretty damn close. Somebody probably misclicked the market buy so it's not perfect, but it's pretty close, and that will give us our triangle that we actually need. So if this closes anyway here, but with this wick on top of here, we got our triangle. Now there are other options you can use. You can use this one here, and this looks is like it's actually better fit, but then this is the top, so why not use it? I mean, you can use here, especially this top, this bottom. So this is actually better triangle. There we go. Then I was thinking maybe you can disregard these two candles over here and draw it like here, but then we are on the middle of here, so this cannot be right, you know. So it has to be this one or this one. But now that I'm looking at it for the second time, I think this one actually might be the better triangle. So we're gonna go that. The bottom side is not really important, because I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not gonna break on the bottom side, you know. It's gonna go up. It's gonna explode. It's gonna explode. And so where you put this line, like, it's up to you. What I was doing, I was looking at the daily. And I just used the red wicks, right? Went back down to 4 and you get some kind of nice nice triangle. So that's it for now. Not actually it. We are not finished. Oh, no, don't click away. We still got moving averages and MACD to look at. But the triangle, that's it for triangle. That's it for triangle. So we are gonna go break on upside. After this candle is done, then we have a whole day to break on upside. That's like, how many candles one day? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. So this candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So somewhere around here. Let me draw it for you. Somewhere around 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's there. That's there. Somewhere around here we're gonna break out. Maybe as soon as we get the new candle, break up, or maybe later in the day. But it's gonna take a while, depending also what Bitcoin does and stuff like that, and other crypto. But we're gonna break up. We're gonna break on upside. Explosive. Explosive. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, and we're gonna look at the big picture. Big picture, and we're gonna look at the moving averages, because moving averages are really important. First of all, we're gonna look at Chainlink on the monthly Chainlink. There's 20 MA moving average. It's above the 20 moving average, so all good. I mean, you cannot be worried about this. It's above 20. I mean, if you don't own Link, you want it to go down so you can buy. That's it. Because like, yeah, okay. So that's monthly. Let's look at the weekly, and this is the beauty of the weekly, man. Let me remove it. Look at the 20 moving average on the weekly. It just keeps it so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 weeks, 2 months. 2 months it's been keeping the 20 moving average on the weekly, man. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. As you can see here, before it actually pumps, it holds the 20 moving average, then pumps. 20 moving average pumps. This was inside, here as well. 20 moving average pumps. So we are expecting the same thing here. See here, 20 moving average pump, 20 moving average pump, and now we are also expecting it here. How fast, how much? 20 moving average pump. So what's that? Oh, did you see that? Did you see my line? It tops out at exactly what. This is the sign from I don't know who. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at where my line ended. 100. So that's the prediction for the Chainlink price. When it's gonna happen? When it's gonna happen? In January 2021. The link is gonna be $100. Remember this. Remember this video, man. Remember this video. Chainlink, $100. January 2021. This has to be some sign from God or somebody, you know. I just did like and it went exactly to 102, 3, give or take. So yeah, okay. So we know also the long-term price. I mean, all kind of bonus content comes in my videos, man. All kind of. I didn't mean to tell you this, but you know, 100 January 2021. Anyways, let's continue watching this now. Let me just remove these nice lines over here. So as you can see, the weekly is pretty good, very bullish, very bullish. As long as it keeps 20, it doesn't go down to the 50 moving average, very bullish. So weekly also very bullish. Also, yeah, I told you, we're gonna look at MACD after this, so don't click yet away. MACD coming afterwards, okay? MACD importante, okay? So now let's look at the daily, and daily also looking very bullish. This is 200 moving average, and the blue one is 100 moving average, and you can see here it got reject from 200, reject from 200, went about reject from 200, and now it's up above the 200. No, 100. The blue is 100. Rejected. Maybe it's gonna get rejected again. Do you think it's gonna get rejected again? I don't know. I don't think so. But we can draw some triangles on the daily as well and see how that holds up right now. But it looks really bullish because it's above 20 moving average. It's above 50, and 20 is gonna cross the 100, and the 50 is starting to curve upwards. So all in all, daily looking very good. And now I don't think we're gonna go to the hourly, but you can see on the daily, now 4 hourly, that yes, we're gonna go to the small time frames because I'm gonna teach you something. You see on the 4 hourly, it's holding the 20 moving average, and that's really important when it gets, because what happens, it's when something shoots up, it shoots up to some random target, whatever this next resistance is, and then it comes down and then finds the balance to the whatever average it needs to find the balance at. And now on the bigger time frames, it looks for the averages. 4 hourly, look for average around the 20. On the 1 hourly, it's going to be 50 or 100, right? And on the 5 minutes, it's going to go all the way down to 200. So you can see here at 1 hourly, it's already finding the support on the 100 moving average, 5100 moving average, right? And on the 5 minute, okay, 5 minutes, you just broken. 30 minutes. 30 minutes, it's on the 200 moving average. So it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's finding support where it should be finding support. So it's looking really, really bullish, and it's gonna explode. Chainlink is gonna explode soon. If not this. Look how many candles you got. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 hours. You just been going up. It's been going up since 12, 7 nights, 13, 2. I don't know. Maybe it's gonna explode now. What's happening, man? What's happening? Don't explode while I'm making a video. That's not nice. That's not nice. You're breaking my triangle. You are breaking my triangle, man. Stop breaking my triangle. It's actually pushing. Okay, just quickly, we're gonna check what's happening with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is breaking, then I'm gonna call this to be the real break. Okay, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. There are also some lines on the Bitcoin right now, but Bitcoin is not breaking. Bitcoin is just standing there on the 4 hourly, so nothing's happening with Bitcoin. Let's get back to the link and see. Yeah, so now our triangle is not working yet because it's breaking the triangle. It's breaking triangle. What am I gonna do now? I'm gonna draw a new triangle. Are we going to draw a new triangle? Now we got the. Let's remove this light. Man, are we having what I think we're having? Are we having rising wedge? Should be actually bigger wedge if it's rising wedge, something like this. But no, I think it's a fake out. I don't know. Life is hard, man. Life is hard when there's no triangle. Come on, man. I need a triangle. The triangle was perfect. Why destroy? Stop buying, people. Stop buying. Okay, wait for it to come down, then buy. Let's see. Okay, let's just assume it's not broken yet. Let's look at volume. Yeah, this is not it. So this can't be it. This can't be it. But 2 touch, I cannot live with 2 touches, man. I cannot live with 2 touches. Maybe there's a touch up here. Oh, look at this. That's what it's doing. Look at it. It's almost there. Let's use this, man. Let's use this. Let's look at the big picture and see if we can find why it's doing what it's actually doing and where it's gonna go. Okay, yeah. Let's use this one. Yeah, that's it. So it's using the top here and then hits the top here and okay. So you see, this works out better, but we have to use the top. We have to use the top over here. It's actually not the top. This is top. This is top, and then you get your triangle, whatever the triangle is. Now let's try to find triangle daily. Decent triangle. Now we got this upward momentum, but let's use this one. This one doesn't fit. That fits, but it went down. It just went up. You can say that actually we had some kind of bear trap over here that didn't work out, especially because, yeah, this is what I was talking about last Chainlink video, if you remember, if you watched that video, man. I don't know if it's the last one, but I think I talked. You see these 3 weeks over here, we have to disregard them. We have to just forget that they even exist. You see, when they don't exist, the picture is more clear, more nice. And the thing we can take from this without the wicks is we got low, higher low, and then a higher low, right? without the wicks. And we got also higher high, higher high, higher high, and now for the third we got our fourth higher high. So that's what I'm saying, that this was what I said called bear trap, call it bear trap, call whatever I want. There are 3 wicks that got bought right back up. It went down, bought 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and just okay, get back in the triangle. So it got back into the triangle, and now we are here. And let's see if this one here works out. We have to draw little triangles because I did not expect to do this in this video, but it's breaking this one. It cannot be this one. So going all the way up to the top one. I try to extrapolate it. This one doesn't break it. You could say it's some kind of channel, right? Channel, depends on how you draw it. You can draw it like this. Now we go into the channel, so that means that we're gonna go all the way up, but this cannot continue forever. And I don't believe in channels, man. I don't believe in channels. I believe in wedges. I believe in triangles. I don't believe in channels. I believe that channels are just misdrawn triangles and wedges. So let's assume this is the one, this is the triangle. Man, I don't like it, man. I don't like it. Look at this one. This is a nice one. What's the price over here? It's gonna go up. It's gonna go above 20 if it breaks out here. It's gonna go up to 30. You don't think there is? Now I'm gonna tell you a secret. When you get to these kind of tops right here, I said it in another video. These patterns, you're gonna get some of these wicks like over here. If you depends on the wicks are going this way or that way. It's pretty much certain that that's some kind of resistance or some kind of support. So if it goes up, it's gonna hit one of these lines, and it's gonna be the resistance to count. And right now, if you use these 2 wicks over here, and we look at right now, it's going up to 30. Yeah, it's going up to 30. Depends on how fast it's gonna go, like 30. So that's your next target, 30. If it explodes, 30. So that's what we have now. So though that was the lines, that was the moving averages. Now let's look at the MACD. MACD is nice, man, and we're gonna start looking from the monthly. Already it's a bullish MACD, still continuing up, green, expanding, all good. Weekly, it looks like it's gonna cross. It looks like we're gonna get a bullish cross soon, and that also confirms what we've been saying, that it's gonna go up. On the daily, it looks like we are already bullish, and we have been bullish since over here. Bullish. Got some this was the bearish bear trap, right? The red part over here, and now we are going up again. So all in all, I want to 4 hourly, but I think even 4 hourly looks like it's gonna cross over here now. So all in all, looks very bullish. So what we confirmed, we are in triangle right now. Depends on how you draw the triangle, where the triangle is, all of that, but all the other crypto is in triangle. Bitcoin and Uniswap I checked, and I think some other are also in the same triangle right now. So something is gonna happen really soon. Number 2, the moving averages. The price is above all the important moving averages, so we are in uptrend. That's very good. And the MACD also says that we are going up. So all in all, very bullish. Chainlink is gonna explode. As you saw, first target 30, then 100, January 2021. You might not believe me, but I'm telling you, man, that's the target, 100. And then if into the cryptoverse guy, I don't know what's Benjamin is called, if he's right, and you're gonna get 1,000 theoretically whenever, I don't know, you know. Okay guys, take care. If you like this content, man, like the video, subscribe to the video, write something down in the comments like, hello man, I love your videos, or I hate your videos, or I agree, I don't agree, anything. It's good. I like reading my comments. And that's it. Have fun. Don't lose your money, man. You do your trades, I do my trades. You know, I'm not saying you should buy or sell. I'm just saying my opinion. It's my opinion, not a financial advice. You know, and all of that. Also, if you're watching that guy CryptoJeb, I just watched his latest video. He drew the triangle, and wrongly, the way I see it. So if you want to go back to his channel and watch his video, he's very bearish right now. And I'm very bullish in Bitcoin. I ain't like this. I'm thinking if Bitcoin and Chainlink and everything is gonna explode, but he's very bearish, so I'm gonna go over there and check me and see what he's saying and tell him like, dude, it's going up, it's gonna go. Maybe change his mind. Thanks for watching. Have fun.